guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean with Top Speed Pro 1 Performance here in Addison, Texas. Today we've got another video for you about the Jaguar XF Sedan. This is for the 2009 to 2013 model. This is for the 3-liter naturally aspirated or supercharged engine, okay? This is a full stainless steel T304 stainless steel exhaust with H-pipe, dual resonated, dual high flow mufflers. This is 2-inch piping. You'll see that we've got all mandrel bends, all TIG welded all the way through. So this is a super high quality exhaust at a really affordable price. You can see here is the H-pipe design. What we're going to talk about a little bit as well is the installation of this exhaust, okay? So we always, when you have a catback exhaust, we always want to start with the front portion of the exhaust first. So towards the front of the car, we'll start by installing this H-pipe and then work your way back, installing the resonators with the clamps, but don't tighten the clamps until you get everything set. So we're going to keep working our way back, and once you get everything set with the hangers, that's when you're going to start clamping everything together. But you want to make sure everything lines up before you do that. So another little installation tip we're going to talk about is how to install the clamp. So you'll notice here that there's a little hole here where this slides on to that pipe, right? If you have any holes, you know that it's not fully on all the way. So it's always good to get it just past to where there's no holes. Now, another misconception about the clamps is that oftentimes you're gonna wanna, by default, put these clamps on at the very edge of the pipe, right? The actual correct way to do this is to extend over the end of the pipe a little bit to really get those ends of these slide-on pieces to clamp on nice and tight. So you want to make sure that there's no holes first of all, and then make sure that this slides all the way over with no holes, and then clamp on maybe about 1/8 of an inch past, and then tighten your clamps. So again, start at the front, work your way back. That's a good installation tip for any of our catback exhausts. Any of these slide-on exhausts, you always want to make sure that your clamps are fastened properly. So this is a clamp on all the way back. This exhaust comes with hardware, so we include all of the hardware for all the clamps all the way back. This one includes 2, 4, 6 clamps. So that's all included in this exhaust. This also comes really well packed. So if we're shipping in the United States, we have free shipping. If we're shipping international, we really ship our boxes as well as we possibly can. You can see that this is a 58-pound container, and it's going to be 48 inches long by 24 inches wide by 12 inches high. So you can know that's how big the dimensions are going to be for this box when it ships to you. So we appreciate you watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos from Top Speed Pro 1 Performance, and we'll see you on the next video.